All right, welcome. Sonate Opus 31, number 2. Starts in an A major chord, first inversion with the C sharp on the bass. But are we in A? No. 1 flat, that means we are in either F or D minor. Starting on an A, probably in D minor, right? Because we're going to go A, D minor. And what does he do? D minor. A little walk up. Continues to walk up to the G minor, right? That's the 4, the minor 4. Second inversion, right? D minor, right? 6/4. And what do we expect next? We expect to go back to the D minor in some way, but no. We get a C in first inversion. Out of the blue, we go from A to C. Beethoven loves these third movements. Loves that. Philip Glass. It's also very much, when you move up a minor third, you're moving from a major to a minor sound of the same key. So it's a way of getting that the blue third in there. So anyway, we were D minor. Now C major. But before we had a major chord with the first inversion, it was actually a 7th chord. Or it was actually a 5 chord. So this is the 5. C would be the 5 of F. Do we go to F? We sure do. So we've actually moved from D minor up to F in the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 measures or so. So now we're in F. Back to that G minor, which could be the 4 in D minor or the 2 in F. But the E flat, Neapolitan in D minor, especially in first inversion. Getting this big diminished chord, and we can see the way it's spelled. It has the C sharp, E, G, and B flat, right? So the C sharp's in the bottom, which means it's going to want to resolve to D minor. So we've gone from a quick 3, Neapolitan, another diminished chord. This diminished chord wants to go to A, but of course we're in D minor, so we get to A, which is really 6/4, which is an A with the suspended up top. There's our 5/1. First inversion, or second inversion. 1, first inversion. What are we going to get next? Could we go up to the 4? We could. We could go up like we did here to the 5 of 4. But what does Beethoven do? Let's see. See if you can guess before I flip the page. We get an E chord in first inversion, E major. Is that in the key of D minor? No. Is that in the key of F? No. Is it a 5 of the 5 in D minor? Yes. Maybe that's what's happening. Ooh, but we actually go to F after that. So we go from E, F. Right? Chromatic in a way. F with the B in the bass. Back to a kind of that E thing, but no E anymore. We just have the diminished part of a dominant 7th chord, right? So are we going to go to an A minor or something? Yes, go to A minor quickly. And then we get this big diminished thing. We have modulated, folks. So this chord that came out of nowhere, as chords that come out of nowhere often do, are leading to a modulation. So let's listen to that one more time. All right, from the first inversion. Big land, but are we in E? That was an E chord. So right, we started here. Stay in E? No, because he brings us that seventh, so we know we're going to jump out of this. So what happened there? All right, E7 with the F natural, right? F natural from up here. Kept doing this. So in the key, if E is the seventh, and we're going to A, and F is one of those, could be an Italian six, right? Puts us in A minor now with this beautiful descending. Really? Are we really in A minor? Ooh, a B flat. If we're in A minor, what is B flat first inversion? A Neapolitan. Very consistent in this piece. Constantly going from a minor to a Neapolitan. Still haven't had a real strong A minor tonic. Beautiful. Right. There was a B to A. Nice. D minor, but no. Neapolitan, passing chords. So we've got A major, C, A minor, E, A minor, E, 5, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1. 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. G, so either we are descending or we are going somewhere else. And that's how he brings us back to A major. So A minor, straight to A major. I want to look back at one thing. This B chord is interesting. So we've got the Neapolitan and then B to A minor. So it's just some beautiful passing notes. I don't really have much explanation for that. And to go from that to there, you can't. You need something passing. That would have been a more traditional, right? E to A, but no. It still lets you get there with that be? Beautiful. And that's our first take. Let's go through it one more time. A to D minor, D, the 4, cadence in D, directly to the C, which is the 5 of 3. Then we get our 3, which is F. To D minor again. Go back to D minor, but we don't. D major. And with that, we'll do the development in a second video.